Hey, local Colorado homeowners, Ben here with Foothills Painting. Hey, want to pop on here and just let you know of a couple things to do just to protect your home during the winter months. Make sure things don't rot quicker than they need to. So, first off, any ledges, any horizontal ledges like this one where snow can sit on top, whenever you get it, whenever you're shoveling your driveway, shoveling your sidewalk, also brush the snow off of those, because the problem is snow sits there, breaks down the stain or paint that it's sitting on, can seep into the wood and rot it pretty fast. Okay, the other thing is same with any window ledges. So places like this, obviously mine's mostly brick, but any places like this where snow can sit, get into these little cracks here, if you can see this, little cracks here. Snow and water can get in there, rot these boards from the inside out. Also just means your house is not as insulated, and so your electric bills will go up, things like that. So just check those areas, brush them off if you notice there's snow on them. If you can reach them too, and you feel confident you can do it, I would even recommend caulking some of those areas before it gets too cold, just to seal them up, and then obviously paint your full house next year. We still have a few spots left for exterior painting, so if you are wanting to get it done before it gets too cold, give us a call. But we're also filling up interiors right now, and so interior and cabinets, right? And so if you are looking to do any interior or cabinet painting this winter, give us a shout. We'd love to be your painter. And so yeah, 970-286-0060, or you can click below, request an estimate. One of us will call you right away and get you set up. All right, thanks so much, and have a great holiday season.